Everyone, in this question we want to find the remainder when 16x power 5 minus 20x power 4 plus 8 is divided by 2x minus 1. We could do this by polynomial division, but it's quicker to use the remainder theorem. So the remainder theorem is stated as follows. If a polynomial px is divided by ax minus b, then the remainder is equal to p b on a. So in our question, this is our polynomial, so this is px. And this is our divisor. So the first step, compare your divisor to the theorem. Let's write that down. We have ax minus b. Let's compare that to 2x minus 1. So this will give us the values of a and b we need for our calculations. So here we can see that a is 2 and negative b, negative 1. So b will be equal to 1. So that means we need to evaluate e to the half. This will give us the remainder. So let's put our numbers in. We'll write p to the half equals 16 times half to power 5 minus 20 half to power 4 plus 8. So reducing that to fractions, we'll have a half minus 5 on 4 plus 8. So your final answer for the remainder is going to be 29 on 4, or you can write that as 7 on a quarter. So this is your remainder after you divide your polynomial by 2x minus 1. Thanks for watching.